Hey there, I'm Kyle from Drive Wheaton TV, showing off another ride from Wheaton Honda.
A 2017 Volkswagen Golf TSI Trendline in tungsten silver with 15-inch wheels. Just in time for spring, this zippy little hatchback is powered by a turbocharged 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission with TipTronic. You get excellent fuel economy, plus features like keyless entry, heated front seats, heated power mirrors, Bluetooth, smartphone capability, and a rear-view camera. It has 60/40 folding rear seats that open up more space, and a cargo cover to keep your stuff hidden from prying eyes. If you're looking for an affordable, fun-to-drive ride, this could be it.
If you have any questions? Send them my way. You can reach me with email, Facebook, or Twitter, or just head down to Wheaton Honda.